Hello P5 students! Welcome again to our Math 5 class, and this is Miss Claire. In this video, we will continue our lesson for Chapter 4, Lines and Shapes. From the previous video, you learned about perpendicular and parallel lines. So in this video, you will learn about different 3D shapes and their nets. You can find this lesson in your learner's book pages 55 until 60. The learning objective of this lesson is to visualize the 3D shapes from its nets. Okay, P5, are you ready to learn different kinds of 3D shapes and nets? Come on, let's start. Let's review first the different 2D shapes. Do you know this shape? Yes, this is a triangle. This is a square, a rectangle. How about this one? A shape with 5 sides. This is a pentagon. And a shape with 6 sides is what we call a hexagon. Do you know some other 2D shapes? Let's study about 3D shapes. 2D and 3D shapes are related because in a 3D shapes, the faces are the 2D shapes. Let's say for example a cube. All the faces of a cube are all squares. A cube is consists of 6 square faces. Cuboid. A cuboid is also consists of 6 faces but not all squares. It has rectangles on its side and sometimes on its end faces on both sides. Another is a triangular prism. A triangular prism consists of triangle shapes on its both sides and it has rectangle shapes on its side. Then we have a pentagonal prism. Its name comes from pentagon because its end faces are pentagon. Another 3D shapes are pyramids. This one. This is a tetrahedron or triangular pyramid. It is consist only of 4 faces which are all triangles. Another is a square pyramid. From the name square, it has a square base at the bottom and all the other faces are all triangles. This is a pentagonal pyramid. The base is a pentagon and the rest of its sides are all triangles. I have here a rectangular pyramid. The base is a rectangle and the other faces are all triangles. So these are the different kinds of 3D shapes. Do you know some other 3D shapes? You can share that during our Zoom meeting. Let's study about nets of 3D shapes. What are net of a 3D shape? The net of a 3D shape is what it looks like if it is opened out flat. So if we open a 3D shape, that is actually the net. For example, this is a net of a certain 3D shape. Can you name what 3D shape is this? How about this one? Next. And this one. All of these children are nets of 3D shapes. A 3D shape, each 3D shape can have several possible nets. If we fold the nets, it will form a 3D. For example, let's study the nets of a cube. This kind of cube is a closed cube. It means to say it consists of 6 square faces. A cube has several possible nets. For example, like this. Another way, if we open a cube, is like this. If we fold this one, it can still form a cube, a closed cube. And this one. Can you make other possible nets of a closed cube? Now, if our cube is opened like this, it means we will only need 5 square faces. So the possible nets of an open cube is like this. See, it only consists of 5 squares. Another way is also like this, an inverted T, or like this. So, each 3D shape can have several possible nets. I have here a net of a cuboid or a rectangular prism. Here, it consists of 6 rectangles of different sizes. See, if we fold this net, it will make a cuboid. Can you make another net of a cuboid in different arrangement? Another is a net of a tetrahedron, like this. A tetrahedron consists of 4 equilateral triangles. When we say equilateral, all sides of the triangle are of the same measurement. So if we fold these 4 triangles, it will make a tetrahedron like this. A tetrahedron is also called a triangular pyramid. Another net is a net of a triangular prism like this. Look at the different shapes, the 2D shapes. A triangular prism consists of 2 triangles on both ends and 3 rectangles on the side. So if you will fold this, it will make a triangular prism like this. For the sides, for here, you can also make a square. Another net is a net of a pentagonal prism like this. It consists of 2 pentagons on both sides and it has rectangles, 5 rectangles on the middle. You can also use a square. So if we fold this, it will make a pentagonal prism like this. Okay, children, I have here different nets of 3D shapes. Let's try to identify what 3D shapes they represent. We have net A. Can you name this 3D shape? We have net B and net C. Okay, can you name? How about net A? It consists of 6 squares. Yes, that is a cube. How about net B? It consists of 6 rectangles. This is a cuboid. How about net C? It consists of 4 equilateral triangles. If we fold it, it will make a tetrahedron. Yes. So, P5, during our Zoom meeting, let's try to identify different kinds of nets. And that's all for lesson 3 about 3D shapes and nets. I will discuss more about this lesson during our Zoom meeting. Thank you for watching P5 and always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and have a great day.